Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Luto tayo guys, no meat na naman. Ito guys, spinach and carrots recipe. Diretso na lang, walang paligo-ligo. Simply at masarap. Mikos-mikos na lang yan guys. Healthy to. Super healthy ang spinach. It's very high in vitamin C. Very easy to grow guys. And very healthy. Kaya, pwede na magtanim kayo. Kung nasa city kayo, pwede kayo magtanim sa pots. Tutubo lang to guys. Lagyan na lang niyo ng ano, yung maka-climb siya ba? Yung ano niya. Stick. No need salt na guys. Yung seasoning at itong toyo na lang. Soy sauce. Sold na ang ating lunch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. God bless us all.